Alright, so this woman wants to know how to make him happy. I'm assuming that's your guy or whatever. Alright, cool. The best way to make him happy is to be yourself. And what I mean by that is develop the traits that are naturally within you, which is being a pure feminine woman, right? When you do that, your woman intuition will kick in. And you will know exactly what to do, what to say that will make him happy. Simple, right? I know it sounds basic, but sometimes it's the basic things that you need like a refresher on. But more importantly, you need to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. So if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. And that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. Plus you'll learn exactly how dating and relationships actually work. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.